Hello, friends. Want to make your Instagram account private in 2026? In this guide, I'll show you the simple steps to control who can see your posts, stories, reels, and profile activity, helping you keep your account more secure and personal. Step 1. Launch the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the account you want to update. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can manage your account settings and privacy options. Step 2. On your profile page, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. This menu gives you access to various account settings, including privacy, security, notifications, and more. Step 3. Scroll down until you see the Who Can See Your Content section. Tap Account Privacy to open the privacy controls for your account. This section allows you to decide whether your content is visible to everyone or only to approved followers. Step 4. Find the toggle next to Private Account and tap it. When enabled, only people you approve as followers will be able to see your posts, stories, reels, follower list, and other shared content. Step 5. A confirmation message will appear on your screen. Tap Switch to Private to complete the process. Instagram will immediately apply the change and your account will become private. A padlock icon will now appear next to your username, confirming that your account is private. And that's it. You have successfully made your Instagram account private in 2026 and gained more control over who can view your content.